to my universe, I love you more than anything in this world. Hard decision between the barks and kids. You're my soulmate, my partner, my best friend. I promise to always be there for you, a little bit more than the barks and kids. Oh, wait, the kids, yeah. Through the good times, bad times, and the lactose problems. I promise to support you, encourage you, and help you achieve your dreams. I promise to be your rock. I'll never forget that drive home from Burger King and you volunteered to sit on my lap. And we thought of the first thing that came up. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you, building a future with love, laughter, adventure, and to grow old together. And finally, thank you for accepting me. Thank you for giving me, blessing me with the greatest gift of all. Maverick. And for accepting Riley.
Every day I get to wake up, I will choose you to be my husband. I promise to love you in everything I do, in the happy and the sad days, to grow and to create beautiful lives with you. I always prayed that I would find a man that loves me unconditionally, and you love me in a way I didn't know was possible. You complete me, you fill my heart with joy. I promise to listen, to learn, and to support you through all your joy and your sorrows, which you will never have to carry alone. Today we are surrounded by the ones we love, and I proudly choose you. As my husband, I promise to always stand by you, and no matter what life brings to us, you are my universe. I love you always.